Hey guys, today we are looking at the Redmi Earbuds, not the Xiaomi Earbuds. These are the cheaper version. They cost only about $15 or 1200 to 1500 rupees. But I personally got them for about $21 or about 1500 rupees. So in the box you are getting the earbuds along with the charging case and also some extra earbuds and also the user manual, and that's it. Sorry for not being so visually appealing or gentle on unboxing. Anyway, I'm surprised to see that there are no cables included. The manual is in Chinese because it is not yet released in India, and I believe it is only Chinese version as of now. But let's hope that Xiaomi makes them globally available. So like I said, you're getting a couple of extra earbuds. Now let's take a look at the AirDots itself. So this is the box, and as you can see the logo, it says me, and the earbuds are 40 mAh, which the company claims to have 4 hours of battery life, and the case is only 300 mAh, which is definitely disappointing and kind of gives you overall charging time of 12 hours. But I'll definitely test the battery life of the earbuds. Now I've heard a lot about the pairing issues on the Xiaomi AirDots, but on Redmi AirDots I did not have any such issues. Just open them up and switch them on manually like this, and both of them start blinking and they both get connected, and after that only the right one starts blinking, the other one stops blinking. Now just take out your phone and search for the Bluetooth, and it shows up as the Redmi AirDots, and that's pretty much it. And it also shows the battery percentage as well. The whole battery case is very small. In fact, it is smaller than the other products in the similar price range, and actually this should have gone with a bigger battery in my opinion. Also, it has the old school micro USB, not the type C, and can't really expect at this price point. Maybe I'll try and put out a review covering all the things like the sound quality, battery life, and the other stuff that you should know before buying this. And also I'll try and maybe compare them with a couple of other earbuds that I have. So let me know guys, and also comment down below if you have any questions, and also please give this video a like, also subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.